papaya spicy street food here in LA. Thai street food. Spicy enough? Good.
Very spicy. Very
It's a
sour.
spice.
I like it a little bit sweet, but sour.
Salty.
No,
So it's okay? Okay, you guys. Papaya. Hello, what's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We're down here in LA at the Thai street food off of Sunset Boulevard in Hollywood area. And we're gonna check out all the vendors. They're all back here. It's pretty deep. What's cooking here? What do you guys got going on?
Pork neck soup and chicken feet soup. And you can do however spicy you want.
Some papaya.
fried pork belly.
Fried pork bellies with some sticky rice. And look, they even got them in bags. Street food here in LA. Hey you guys, we're down here in LA and it's the street food, Thai street food. I'm gonna try some of that mango salad. So mango salad with some dried shrimp, some peanuts, some dried fish as well, and some shallots, and squeeze a few limes into the bowl, and it's gonna be a mango salad, kind of like the papaya salad but mango, and it's gonna be mixed up. So this is the mango salad that had the dried fish, dried shrimp, and tossed in some peanuts, and it's the mango salad, and we're gonna give this a try. What do you think?
It's okay. Not spicy enough for me, at least.
Ginger. I thought I was mango.
So these beef skewers are $1 each. Street food, you guys, is $1 each, and we're gonna take a few of these and we're gonna try this. So we have the beef skewers, and we're gonna give this a try. Tasty?
The
Good
flavor
flavor?
is really good, yeah.
Spicy?
Sweet? No,
Sweet?
sweet. Not
Okay.
spicy. Can't try it. Nice and hot.
It is nice and hot, soft meat, tender. It is tasty. It's a spot. Beef skewer, guys. Have you guys seen this before? Let's try one of those. It's eggs or grilled egg? Yeah, I'll try one.
What is this? Hold
Support.
on. Sticky rice.
We're gonna try the banana here. Okay, we're gonna try this egg. See what's inside. Open it.
There's nothing inside.
I know, but the viewers want to see it. Okay.
What's inside?
It's nothing. It's just the eggs.
Nothing.
Okay, let's try it.
I was curious.
Yeah, have some. Try it.
No. I'm not a big egg.
Okay, I'm trying.
I mean, there's so much of beef steak right here. You didn't need.
Banana wrap.
It's rice with banana. Let's go try it. Banana and rice. Wrapped in banana leaf.
Like a rice banana.
Sticky rice? Good?
It's okay. It's really sweet.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
Stuffed bun. We got a coconut, Thai tea, and pandan. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try this.
No kidding.
So we got these stuffed bun. One of them is milk. The green one's pandan, and the other one's like beef stuffing. And I'm gonna give this a try.
How about this right here?
So this is a milk stuffed sweet bun, and let's give it a try. Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
Is it milk?
Mm-mm.
Sweet.
Sweet,
Condensed
some kind
milk.
of Cream.
Cream. Okay, let me try.
Cái đóng cửa thì
Dạ.
hiểu ra.
Mmm. Okay. Condensed
Right?
milk. It has some condensed milk in it.
A little mix.
Don't like the sauce.
It's sweet. Okay.
Maybe how's your food?
Mindy, what did you get?
Sausage and pad thai.
Street food here in LA, guys.
Yeah. Oh, really?
No, not like spicy. Delicious. Wow. That's right.
What's that?
Wow.
It's a squid leg and squid.
Thai style donut. Fresh rolled and fresh deep fried. Thai donut with condensed milk. Let's give it a try.
Like a sweet.
Condensed milk.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the Thai donuts with the dipping.
Andy, you'll be the sample.
Sao bây giờ bánh chú quẩy à?
They call it Chinese donut.
Dầu, yeah.
Chinese donut, same thing.
You know what? Or we put sesame seed on top. Have you seen it?
Uh-huh.
They sprinkle on top.
So
of
it's
it.
the same thing as Chinese donuts.
Yeah.
Okay,
Here,
I'll
you
try.
try?
It. Yeah, I'll try. It. I'll try without it first.
Well, here.
Okay.
Without it, it's
okay,
right
let's
here.
get.
No
You
flavor.
can eat it with porridge sometimes. Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, same thing. Chinese donut, guys. Just Thai donut, Chinese. Okay, here goes. Super sweet with the condensed milk, of course.
It's fresh.
It's good, you guys. Fresh off the deep fryer. Hey guys, so we're down here in LA, Sunset Boulevard, Thai town, and some of them were good, some of them weren't. I mean, it's just based on your preference. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until the next one, you guys. Peace.